Hi, my name is Lop Siu. I'm a Montagnard and the host of the Montagnard channel. Welcome. Did you know that not everyone agrees on which day is the first day of the week? In the Jarai language, Monday is considered the first day, but in places like the United States, Canada, and Japan, Sunday comes first. Meanwhile, in countries like France, much of Europe, and in many indigenous cultures, the week starts on Monday. According to international surveys, about 35% of countries begin their week on Sunday, but over 60% start on Monday, and that includes most of the world's indigenous and non-Western societies. In the Jarai language, for Monday, we say Harasa, which is day one. And here's something even more surprising. Before the invention of clocks or calendars, many ancient cultures didn't have a 7-day week. People tracked time using the moon, the seasons, and important rituals, not weekdays. In fact, most of the world's languages didn't even have a word for week. For example, in the Jarai language, we don't have the word for week either. So whenever we need to say week, we use tuần, which comes from the Vietnamese word tuần. I thought you might find that interesting. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to say the days of the week in the Jarai language. Your teacher for this lesson is Hoan Rahlan, a Jarai College art instructor who is fluent in both Jarai and English. In the first part of the lesson, she will say the words in English first, followed by Jarai. In the second part, she will reverse the order, starting with Jarai, then English. Enjoy learning how to say days of the week in Jarai. Let's dive in.
Monday. Reza. Reza. Tuesday. Redwa. Redwa. Wednesday. Reglo. Reglo. Thursday. Repa. Repa. Friday. Rerma. Rerma. Saturday. Renam. Renam. Sunday. Retaju. Retaju. Reza. Reza is Monday. Redwa. Redwa is Tuesday. Reglo. Reglo is Wednesday. Repa. Repa is Thursday. Rerma. Rerma is Friday. Renam. Renam is Saturday. Retaju. Retaju is Sunday.